Welcome to my channel once again. Today we will have a glimpse of a street food festival in Bern, Switzerland. This is the event of a street food festival. Event was conducted for 3 days. Here we can enjoy the food from different parts of the world. When I went to noodle shop, I asked him whether I can shoot his video. He enthusiastically gave me positive response. Every year food festival is conducted in Bern. People wait for this event for years. As street food is available from different parts of the world, so at a time we can taste food famous in different countries. You can see here people enjoying the delicious food.